Hey guys, I am Asan. In this channel, we are updating day trading and swing trading predictions and future investing and also some trading strategies. This video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. Your level of success in attaining the results claimed in this video will require hard work, experience, and knowledge. We have taken reasonable steps to ensure that the information on this video is accurate. You expressly agree not to rely upon any information contained in this video. Bitcoin taking support at 41,000 and major resistance is 45,300. And Ethereum buying level 3,300 and massive resistance 3,600 and for long term. Bear market partially confirmed as crypto market loses $300 billion in the first week of 2022. However, long before the asset dropped to new 2022 lows, popular Bitcoin skeptic Crypto Whale had already called a bear market.